Good morning, my friends. How are you today? I'm feeling a bit tired this morning. What about you? Let's go over our calendar. It's March 2020. Let's make a calendar. What month is it? The month is March. What year is it? 2020. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. What day is today? Did you say Monday? That's right. Today is Monday. All right, guys, let's look at our calendar. We are on the last week. There's only 2 days left of March. Oh my goodness. What comes next? April is our next month. We have 2 days left of March. All right, let's look. It's Monday, March 30th. We had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 whole Mondays in March. Do you guys like Mondays? I like Mondays. All right, what number is it? The 30th. So what number are we counting to? 30. Get ready and make sure you tell me to stop when we get to 30. So we're listening. 27, 28, 29, 30. Stop. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Stop! We stopped at 30. Did you guys count with me? I hope so. Look outside, guys. What's the weather like? Where I live, it is cloudy, but I think it's supposed to be warm today. Have you guys been going outside to play? I took my dog for a walk yesterday. It was chilly, but it had stopped raining for a little bit, so I was able to go for a walk. Anyway, I hope you guys have a great day today. I'll see you later.